Hello, this is RAU, and I want to show how connect drum filter into your system and how work sensor and control box. Yes, this is our filter 25. He's similar 10, 20, and 35 and 55. Yeah. First, two pipe, 1, 2 go inside drum filter. Two pipe go outside. 1, 2. This our version connect with beer filter. Yeah. This is pump for cleaning mesh. This. Now I open him. Yeah, this pump. Our pump take water from beer filter, but you can connect pump. This have place here. You can take from drum filter. Yeah, okay. This understand. Next, sensor, flow sensor. Water level must be stay below this sensor, around 1-2 centimeter, and you can see for sensor can regulate. Yeah, when mesh dirty and water cannot move next place, this is here move up and turn on all system. Yeah, and you can see here automatical close. Yeah, this is how work automatical. Yeah, you can take flow and put this place. Just open here and move him this. Just take flow and turn down like this for he work. Okay, this is how work level and sensor. Next, control box. Yeah, this regulation how long time he work. 5 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds. Yeah, this is turn only drum motor reductor. This he work all system. Middle, this is work automatical. Yeah, this all what need now. Yeah, if you have question, write for me and I help you. Okay, thank you.